What if you could build a business that pays you while you sleep? A business that generates thousands of dollars a month, all without ever showing your face on camera. It sounds like a dream, but I promise you, it's more achievable right now than ever before. Forget everything you think you know about being a YouTuber. You don't need a fancy camera, a perfect smile, or a Hollywood studio. You just need a strategy. Stick with me for the next 9 minutes, and I'll reveal the blueprint. Welcome to Make Money Monster, the only channel you need to watch for your money dreams to come true. Today, we're diving deep into the world of online income, and I'm going to show you the single best opportunity available right now. When you decide to make money online, you're usually presented with 3 top options. I believe you have to know what they are to understand why my #1 pick is so powerful. First, you have affiliate marketing. This is a great starting point. The basic idea is you promote someone else's product or service. When someone buys through your unique link, you get a commission. It's simple, and you don't have to create any products yourself. You're essentially an online salesperson. Second, there's print on demand. This is where you create cool designs for things like t-shirts, mugs, or posters. You upload your design to a website, and when someone orders it, the company prints it and ships it for you. You never have to touch any inventory. It's creative and can be very passive. But the third option, the one that I believe is the absolute best way to build long-term wealth and a real sustainable business online, is the YouTube Faceless channel. Affiliate marketing and print on demand are great, but they are just single income streams. A faceless YouTube channel is an entire ecosystem you own. And here is why. The most valuable asset you can have online is an audience. With a faceless channel, you create an audience that will stick with you and buy from you, because they build trust with your brand, your content, and your voice, not your face. This audience becomes a community that you can serve for years to come. They subscribe because of the value you provide, and that loyalty is priceless. On top of that, you get paid from multiple directions. First, you get paid directly from YouTube through ad revenue. That's right, YouTube pays you just to upload videos that people watch. Second, once your channel grows, you get paid sponsorships. Brands will pay you hundreds or even thousands of dollars to give them a quick shout-out in your videos. You're getting paid by the platform and by private companies. If you're getting value from this and can see the massive potential here, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button below. It's free, and it ensures you won't miss my next video where I break down the exact tools you need to get started. So, where should you start? The secret to maximizing your income is choosing a profitable niche. The best niches for profitability are health, wealth, travel, relationships, and technology. All of these have a great CPM, which stands for cost per mille. This is the amount of money advertisers are willing to pay for every 1,000 views on your video. Niches where the audience has problems they are willing to spend money to solve, like finance or health, have the highest CPM. This is how YouTube pays you, and a high CPM means more money in your pocket for the same number of views. Health. Think meditation channels, workout guides, or videos on healthy eating. Wealth. This is what we do here at Make Money Monster. Personal finance, investing, crypto, and making money online. Travel, luxury travel reviews, budget travel guides, or top 10 destination videos. The visuals sell themselves. Relationships, dating advice, friendship tips, and self-improvement content. This is an evergreen niche that never gets old. Technology. Unboxing videos using only your hands, software tutorials, and product reviews. Tech has a passionate and high-spending audience. And here's the most beautiful part. In these niches, you can have several different alternative income sources, all working at the same time. Let's take that technology channel example. You're getting paid AdSense from YouTube. A phone case company pays you $1,000 for a sponsorship. You have Amazon affiliate links in your description for the phone, the camera, and the microphone you use. And you sell your own $20 ebook called The Beginner's Guide to Videography. That is 4 income streams from a single video, all without ever showing your face. The barrier to entry has never been lower, and the ceiling for earning has never been higher. You don't need to be an expert on camera. You just need a plan and the willingness to start. In my very next video, I'm going to break down the exact free software and AI tools you can use to create your first faceless YouTube video this week. You absolutely do not want to miss that. So if you're ready to make your money dreams come true, hit that like button, subscribe to Make Money Monster, and ring that notification bell so you're the first to know when it drops. Thank you for watching. May God bless you. And always check the description area of this video for any free help we may offer.